Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Guys, in the last video, we have seen what are the different data types we have in Excel VBA. So in continuation to that, in today's video, we'll see how to write if-else statement in Excel VBA. So without any further ado, let's jump on to the demo. So as you can see, I am already under the Excel VBA editor, under which I'm gonna create one model. I'm not gonna give any name to this module as such, which is not important for this demo. So here I'm directly gonna write my sub procedure. We have already seen how to write a sub procedure in our last to last demo, so we'll follow the same structure. So public sub test, where test is nothing but the my sub procedure name. So under this particular function we are gonna write our if else statement, or our block of statements. In Excel VBA, if you see, there are two types of if else statements. One is simple if else statement, another is a nested if. We are gonna see both the ones. So first of all we'll see the first one. So that is nothing but simple if else statement. So here I'm just creating a variable, integer variable basically, and assigning value as 10 to it. Now here this is how the syntax of if statement basically in Excel VBA. So here I'm just checking whether this particular variable a is less than 10. Then so these are the keywords, guys, you have to remember: if and then for this one. Okay, under this one, so if my my bad, it has to be less than. So if a is less than 10, then print this message: a is less than 10. This is one way. Next we'll see if a is equal to 10. MSG box, a is equal to 10. Same, and we are going to close with if end if keywords. Again, the next is if a is greater than 10, then MSG box a is greater than 10. So this is one way of actually writing. This is the simplest way of writing. However, this is not advisable when you are dealing with n number of cases, and performance wise also it is not good. But this is how the simple if else statement is being written. There is now coming to the nested if, which is more preferred one in these particular cases. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just before writing that one, I'll just comment out this one. So this is what we have seen so far is a simple if else statement. Now how to write nested if else statement. So the first statement for both simple if else and nested if more or less will be the same. So if a is less than 10, then MSG box a is less than 10. This is how the syntax will be. So we have to use the keyword else if. So else if is a single statement under which you have to pass the condition as well. So what is the next condition that we are looking for? Else if a equals to 10, then MSG box a is equal to 10. Else this is our last statement. So here do we need to write a is greater than 10? No, because there can be only three possibilities. The a value can be less than 10, it can be equal to 10, or it can be greater. So under this one I need not to actually put any condition as such, and I can directly write the block of statement, which is nothing but MSG box here: a is greater than 10. That's it. So this is more a superior way of writing compared to simple if statements. There is one more variance as part of the same nested if as well. You can write it. So the way I'm gonna write it here, I'll just copy this part so that I can reuse it. So this is nothing but the variance of the nested if else statement itself. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna else if. So under else, it's not I'm not writing else if statement. It is if statement under the else. It's actually the same, but this is a different way of writing it. So here I written if condition, and the same is applicable now. So this is how we have written. So we have closed end if for this if. However, for this if we are yet to close it. So this is the in this particular varies. As you can see, there is one more statement end if you have to write compared to this one. So that's why I was saying this is more like a preferred way of writing it compared to simple and this one. Also performance wise, these particular two will be of um, computation wise, this will be good compared to the simple if, because under the if simple if else statement, it has to go through each condition and check for that one. However here, if this condition doesn't get satisfied, it will skip and it will directly go into the else part, and then there it will be looking for the one that matches. So performance wise or computation wise, nested if is far superior than simple if. That's why in our programming world also we preferred nested if else statements. So that's it guys. This is how we basically write the if else statement. For the sake of simplicity, we just have written emoji box over here. However, if you want to do more advancement, you can do. We'll just gonna print how this output is gonna look like. My bad, we haven't seen how the output looks like basically. So a is equal to 10. So a is 10. Now let's change the value to 8. Now let's, now it should be a is less than 10. Now let's say keep it 14. A is greater than 14. So this is how it is working fine. We'll just see the upper one as well, whether those are working fine as well or not. I'll just put it a is 10. We're gonna see only this one. So if a is greater than 10, a is equal to 10. Yeah. If a is less than 10, if I put 15, it should be the same. A is greater than 10. So this is how it's if else statement basically works. It will surely work for the simple if else statement as well. We'll just see for that one as well. So my a is 15, so a is greater than 10. Since it is only one thing we are actually trying to validate and it's not a complex one, the performance wise or computation wise, you can't see much difference here. I mean, this is not the right use cases for that. But when you work on a real world projects and a huge data, in that particular case, you should always prefer writing nested if over simple if else statement. A is less than 10 and a is 10. A is equal to 10. So this is how we basically write if else statement, guys. So in a nutshell, there are two different types of if else statement in Excel VBA. One is a simple if and there is a nested if, and there is one more variance of nested if else statement as well that we have seen. If you found the tutorial useful, do like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.